What's going on, family? Here I'm going to show you 3 of my favorite biceps and forearms exercises that you can do when you're training. That way you can work 2 different muscles at the same time and maximize on your biceps workout. But before I get started, remember to not forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Without your support, this page will not be able to grow as it's growing as of right now. So thank you in advance. Without further ado, let's get started. And there you have it, 3 of my favorite biceps, forearms workout. I recommend you do 3 sets of 15 or 4 sets of 15 or 4 sets of 12 or 10. That way you can maximize on your workout. And again, it depends also on your fitness level. So again, thank you so much for watching, and come back again for another episode of Ramos Fit. Thank you guys. Love you all.